I would say the best reason that you should attend this summit next year is that you would have somebody that knows your problems, that is independent and can give you an answer.
I think people should attend the Leadership Summit because it's a great opportunity to learn from the industry experts, to network with other lab managers, to gain new insights and new tools that you can take back to your lab and utilize with your teams to optimize your lab. So it was a lot of amazing tools. It was awesome.
I think it's important to, number one, get different perspectives from different types of labs, diversities in labs, and kind of identify, things that are common versus things that, kind of get stuck in our little silos in clinical labs. And so you want to be able to step outside of that and introduce yourself and kind of learn what the other fields are doing and what's possible.
For most, career development as a lab manager is never applicable directly to what we do, and the Leadership Summit really outlined exactly what we need as lab managers and how to grow and develop our skills.
There's so much knowledge that comes through these doors from so many different walks of life, and we do all these roundtables and everybody gets to sit down and talk through their issues and their challenges and their struggles and get a different perspective or outlook or ideas on how to change or improve their own process. So I think it's very valuable, and these are people that you would never ever meet if you did not come to this summit. So I think it's really a good way to gain a different perspective and outlook on the work that you do.